Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much again for watching this video. I'm gonna show you now how to hand stretch a pizza dough. We got here some pizza balls. I will show you. The first thing to do, of course, is to avoid that, the peel gonna get stuck somewhere. I want to use these balls that are a bit less proven than what I would use, and a bit less reason of what I would actually use for my service, but it's better for explain to you, ladies and gentlemen, how to do it. So the main thing is actually as we can see from this one, for example, you would just have to sprinkle some flour, cutting, making sure that it's completely divided from this one, okay? And then you don't put the pizza peel, let me show you, like that when you go down, okay? Because if you go like that, look what happens. If you go up like that, diagonal, that's what would happen, you see? You would you see what happened? Okay, what we want instead is this. You can do like that, or you can go like that, it depends, okay? So you need to stay as flat as you can, then you go down, and that's it. So the aim is to take it out from the box, or whatever you will use at home, or wherever you are, in the same ways as it is from here, okay? So what we're gonna do now, get some flour, drop it down. You drop it on the flour because you don't want it to stick on the surface. Okay. So what are we going to do now? I'm gonna make it a bit circular again, so this movement will help a little. You can start whether from the top, whether from the bottom. The important thing is that you actually press 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You see? I'm just pressing, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. You understand? You don't have to do it in the first phases, okay? The first phase you just have to 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever again. This is change. I'm using, at the beginning I was using like 3 fingers, then 4. Depends how big are your hands, and everything, many circumstances. That's it. So basically now it's ready to open. Okay, you see how we're doing? We are actually, spinning around, stretching it slowly, what I'm doing. Let's think about the gluten, ladies and gentlemen. You see, this is the gluten, okay? This is the network, okay? Gliadin and glutenin together with the water. You see? You see what I mean? So then, of course, as you can see, there is a crust. This is how I would do the pizza, because it's nicer to see. But some people would actually do it in North Italy or in Rome, for example, completely flat. So the only difference would be that at the beginning you would press it from the very bottom or from the very top all the way down, and that's it. So why I open it even too much, but I wanted to show you what would happen in those cases. For the beginning it's good to open it as much as you can. If you're not practical, then what you're gonna do is this. You're gonna take it, okay, remove the excess of flour. 1, 2, 3, how much you need. Put it down again. And there we go. So we got that. The dough opened. Okay, so we're gonna put now the tomato sauce. 1 splash in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You put the tomato sauce, okay? And now you can put the mozzarella, you can put whatever you want. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.